Hi, this is Sumit, and I'm a global exporter and e-commerce entrepreneur, and I'm also an investor for e-commerce companies. Today, in this video, I'm going to share a plug-and-play ready-made business opportunity. And this business is quite interesting because not everyone get into this. And this is highly profitable, and India is one of the key manufacturer of these products. Let me show you the whole business opportunity in front of you. If you think this is a business that we can start together, I can give you this ready-made business. So even if you're a working professional, you can get started with this business immediately, because so that you can continue with your job, just invest about an hour or two and get started with this business. And not just this business, even if you have any idea and you want to make that business big, I can assist you in that also, because I'm currently working as chairman of Indian Institute of E-commerce. I've got a mentorship program where we teach and guide entrepreneurs like you on how to build their successful e-commerce businesses. With my previous experience in Alibaba Group and Amazon, I have handful understanding of e-commerce, exports, digital marketing. So we can leverage that and help you to get the skills so that you can become an e-commerce leader and digital marketing expert. So here we go. I have a strong confidence that you can get started with a plug-and-play e-commerce startup, because here you don't have to do anything. It's just ready-made business opportunity. Simply, I'll be giving you this data of supplier who can give you the products, and we will be making an e-commerce store. I'll set up this entire thing for you. I'll guide you. It's a mentorship program, and I will set up the e-commerce store for you where the products and services can be listed and we can start making sales. Easily about 6 to 7 crores per month is easy to make because people are doing it. I'll show you some example here. One of the product, which is of bar accessories, you can see this like getting 3,000 sales a month on Amazon.com at $20. The same product the manufacturer can give us at a much lower prices, and these things can be sold directly on Amazon. Same way, $30 product in 2,000 sales, $17 product 2,000 sales, average of 2,000 sales at this amount. But more than this, what interests me is that it is not just one product that will be selling. I have a complete array of products that we can list into this e-com business. For example, if you see bar accessories here, or you can see this wine glasses, or you can see the wine accessories, or even the bar mugs, chillers, and ice buckets, all these products that you will see here, these products have a regular consumption. These are fragile products, they get broken, and that's where exactly your customers will keep buying from you. And we are not selling in retail, we are selling in bulk quantities. That means we are focusing on selling in minimum MOQ of like 500,000 sets. And I will give you the strategy how we will do it, how exactly I'm doing it. This is my e-commerce store. For your confidence, I'm just refreshing it. And this is my brand, that is Shripur, for which I do. And I focus purely on wholesale. These are the list of products which I have, about 65 different categories of products I'm selling currently in my e-com business. Product can be anything as long as you know how to sales. So these are my last 30 days of sales. This is my lifetime of sales. And this is the e-commerce store that I'm giving you. You can customize this e-commerce store builder. You can make your own. So these are the themes, these are designs. And apart from that, I'm also giving you many software tools so that you can simply get started with the sales of these products. Because with digital marketing, you will be able to get more results. So everything is included in this particular program itself. The AI SEO tool, live chat tool, and you will have your own domain name. Like in my case, it is my domain name. You will have your own domain name. You can directly collect payment from customers and start making sales. You can also add your staff members into the program. So the e-commerce business program that I'm giving you, this is basically a complete all-in-one opportunity. Here you're going to master the art of digital marketing. You will be able to do sales, and you will be able to have the recorded content, plus live classes, plus ebooks, white papers, case studies, infographics, and more powerful is the certification which comes from the government itself. All the 17 certification of certified e-commerce professional, along with the live practical training you will be getting, so that you can build a highly successful e-commerce based export business without having an inventory. The business is very simple. The supplier has got these products. We list them into an e-commerce store, and we have the database of potential buyers. We start selling them. We also do digital marketing so that we can list these products here and we can start selling here. Even if you are having some good sales of some 20-25 products getting sold online, you can still make a 50-60 lakh rupees of monthly profits in this. There are people who are doing it much bigger in e-commerce, but I'm saying in the worst case scenario also, you can still make great profits of 10 to 12 lakhs. Once you start making this much profits, in case if you're a working working professional, you can leave your job and fully focus on building your e-commerce career with IIEC's plug and play ready-made business opportunity that I'm giving you. So this mentorship program that I'm giving you comes with the plug and play e-commerce store builder, and with the training and support that I'm giving you, you will be definitely be able to make a lot of profits. So this Indian Institute of E-commerce program comes with lifetime of access, update and support with mentors and experts of e-commerce so that you can build successful sales of your products. And IIC is not new. It's a 2015 registered government supported public private partnership with Ministry of Education and IIC. As Indian e-commerce, I have myself been training, mentoring startup entrepreneurs, founders of various e-commerce companies, and been working with companies like Alibaba and Amazon and government bodies. So I have got some good understanding of e-commerce business and entrepreneurship, and the same exact experience that I have got, I'm ready to share with you. And Indian e-commerce has been in existence since 2015. So this is fully affiliated organization with Alibaba, Amazon, and many other partners. So as I was talking about the plug and play e-commerce startup business opportunity, where I'm giving you this high profit, semi-automated business where the supplier can have these products given to you. We can build an e-commerce store, we can do digital marketing and make profits grow for you. So this ready-made business that I'm suggesting can be an amazing opportunity for someone to get started quickly with an income generation model using the ready-made setup that I'm giving you. To get started with this amazing business opportunity, I have also got another niche businesses which are listed here. So you can choose whatever the interesting subjects you want to get into. If any of these subjects are interesting for you, you can get started with that product niche and it can help you to get started with that business quickly. As Indian e-commerce, along with me, there are many other mentors and experts who will be there to guide you. And as I said, that IIS is on a mission to help India's exports grow. Since 2015, we are working tirelessly with the intellectual properties and the registrations of Indian e-commerce. We want to make sure that we make at least $1 trillion worth of exports using e-commerce. And for that, export is the way for that. So get started with this plug and play ready-made business opportunity with IIEC. You can go for the mentorship program. Here you can get the course access with lifetime access, update and support, or you can go for the plug and play store builder, which comes with complimentary buyers data, suppliers data, and also the ready-made e-commerce store builder. As a complete package, you can get started with this particular business. And if you are looking to pay this amount in EMI, we have an EMI option. Click on this and you will be taken to the credit card based EMI option. So we have many different banks and credit cards which are listed. So with credit card, you can go for less than 5,000 rupees per month as EMI. So this way you can get this online business opportunity at the very low amount, which is an investment for your future. So this way you can make about 8 to 10 lakh rupees per month and you can safeguard your financials. So how is this business idea? If you're interested, let's connect and let's do this business together.